Hi everyone, it's RACHAEL Smith, your local Big Bear real estate expert with RE/MAX and Big Bear, and short-term rental nerd. I am here with a little insider scoop about life in the mountains, especially during those busy weekends. So here's the deal. Big Bear has become one of Southern California's favorite year-round getaways. It's winter snow, summer lake life, fall foliage. People love it here. And for good reason. You can leave LA or San Diego in the morning and be sipping coffee by the fireplace by lunchtime. But with all that love comes a little, let's call it, overenthusiasm. On busy weekends and holiday breaks, Big Bear can feel a bit like Disneyland with pine trees, though. We're talking full restaurants, packed trails, and yes, even a traffic jam or two in the village. You're not used to the mountain roads? A one-lane highway with snow can definitely slow things down. Now, is that a bad thing? Not necessarily. It just means it's important to plan ahead, especially if you're visiting during peak season. Locals and seasoned visitors know the rhythm. They will hit the grocery stores early, make dinner reservations ahead of time, and take back roads when they can. A little preparation goes a long way up here, and if you're a homeowner or thinking about becoming one, this tourism boom can actually be a huge opportunity. More people visiting means more potential income for short-term rentals, more demand for cozy cabins, and more people falling in love with the area. That said, it also means that we all need to be thoughtful about how we share this beautiful place. Whether it's respecting quiet hours, packing out trash after a hike, or just being patient during those extra busy weekends, it helps keep Big Bear the peaceful escape people come here for it to. So here's what I always tell my clients. Big Bear is not just a place, it is a vibe, and part of that vibe is embracing the ebb and flow. Yes, it gets crowded sometimes, but it's also full of magic, sunsets over the lake, crisp mountain air, the sound of snow crunching under your boot. Those are the things that people drive up here for. Those are the reasons that people come back. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or renting in Big Bear, let's chat. I can help you navigate the busy seasons, the quiet corners, and all the hidden gems in between. And if you're visiting sometime soon, welcome. Pack your patience, plan your meals, and don't forget your camera. This mountain still has plenty of space for everyone who loves it. Again, I'm RACHAEL Smith, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.